Did you know that sandbag training not only builds explosive strength, but can actually improve your digestion? Here's the game-changing science behind it. When athletes lift and move sandbags, they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, creating a powerful full-body workout that traditional weights can't match. The unstable nature of sandbags forces your core to work overtime, enhancing stability and increasing gut motility, the natural movement of your digestive system. This unique movement pattern stimulates internal organs, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. However, many athletes hit a plateau with sandbag training because they overlook crucial form elements. The key is maintaining a solid grip with elbows close to the body while keeping your spine neutral throughout each movement. This prevents strain on your lower back and shoulders, allowing you to safely progress in your training. Ready to revolutionize your strength training? Drop a comment below sharing your experience with sandbag workouts.